Greetings. The Zionists have to be opposed. The apartheid state in Palestine has to be dismantled. The CIA, defense contractor captured state in America, also must be dismantled. The CIA, the Mossad, MI6, all must be exposed and brought down. But the apartheid regime in Israel has to go, or the world will never know peace. I myself would like to start an interfaith prayer group and to begin to advocate for the dismantling of the Likud party and the apartheid state in Palestine. We need to start over with the Palestine-Israel solution for all the people involved in that area, for Palestinians, for Jews, for Christians. Those are the main groups, Islamic people that have moved in. They all need a peaceful place, a peaceful way to fit into a strictly enforced secular democracy which guarantees rights for all. Until we do this, the world will be in peril.